welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy but yet delicious fried chicken wings. To get started, I already prepped my chicken wings ahead of time, washed them up in some lemon juice, and I'll be using some all-purpose flour and cornstarch for the breading, and I'll season it with some garlic and onion powder, pink salt, black pepper, bouillon. And for the chicken, I'll be using some mustard, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, bouillon, chili powder, and some sazon. So the first thing you want to do is add the seasoning to the chicken, and we will go in with that mustard as a binder because we will not be using like eggs and milk and all that stuff. So, we will just mix everything well to combine, and we will cover this and allow it to sit for at least an hour or two. Next, you want to add your seasoning to that flour and mix everything well to combine and set that aside. Now, I like using the plain color seasonings for my flour as opposed to the colored seasonings like paprika, sazon, and all that stuff. I find that the colored seasoning burns really fast in the oil and you don't achieve that nice golden brown that we all love. That's simply eye-catching, So next, you want to go ahead and just coat your chicken into that flour and just keep repeating this process until you're all done. Then we'll head over to the stove and start the frying process. But first, you want to allow these to rest for about 15 minutes. Allow that flour to absorb into the chicken before we drop them inside of the oil. So while I was adding my chicken into the oil, I forgot to hit record. So you guys wouldn't see me doing that part, but I started off with fresh canola oil, preheat the oil to 350, and then I drop it down to 325 so that my chicken will cook slowly and it would not burn. And once they are nice and golden brown, you want to remove them and just carry on with the same step. These were cooked for about 8 or 9 minutes, but if you want to cook your chicken real hard, you can fry them for 10 to 12 minutes. And here you have it. The most delicious but yet easy and simple fried chicken wings. This will become your new family's favorite. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.